Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So today we are going to start a new series on Cobol programming language, and I'll be uploading one video in every 3 to 4 days this time on Cobol. So basically Cobol is a very old language, so that's why I thought so that you guys do not have to bear the pain to search everything and learn, so I'll just go ahead and make videos. So let's see what we are going to do today in this video. So basically we are going to understand what is COBOL and its history. So see, basically COBOL is a high level language. It was like invented in 1959 or 1960, so which makes it around 60 to 63 or 62 years old programming language, but it is still very much in demand because a lot of companies are using COBOL. A lot of insurance company, warehouse management companies, airports, banks, etc. are using COBOL programming language, so it is still very much in demand. Okay, so next we are going to understand the structure of a COBOL program. So basically, to understand the structure of a COBOL program better, I will just uh, do a practical session. So I just logged in, work brpd work pdm. Okay, so here I have one COBOL program. It's a very simple, like a backbone type of thingy I have written here. So basically, the program structure goes like, initial seven spaces should be blank. The seventh space being, you can add comments and all and everything. So, sorry. So if we are see if we are to I'll insert a new line here, and here I'll with the asterisk I'll give a new comment, and like this, or maybe you can just use like this, use it like this, or maybe just to better understanding you can do like go like this, and you can just write that this is a commented line. So whatever you write in this line after this asterisk just comments everything. Okay. It's just so these two front slashes, and again the two front slashes at the back, and the star again. These all are just show, just to make this thing look more pretty. That's all. Else this has no functionality. Just the initial star at the seventh position, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this seventh position has the main impact. Okay, so let's go out. And to better understand the COBOL program, we'll just write a sample program right now. Just the backbone, source member, it's a COBOL program, PROG, source type is CBL, uh, backbone PGM. Okay, so generally in COBOL program, we have four different divisions. Okay, they are the identification division. Okay, I'll just write it down. Identification division. Then comes the NVIRONMENT division. Then comes your data division. Then comes procedure division. So these are the four divisions in the COBOL program which we have, out of which the identification division is the mandatory division of the program. So in order to make it the mandatory division, we need to give this program a program ID. So we will write a program ID dot say sample program. Okay, so basically what you will see is after each and every sentence, after each and every line, I'm finishing it with a dot, a period. So basically keep in mind a period is very important when you're writing a program. So if I remove this period, it will throw an error. Okay, a period is required before program ID, line rejected. So basically period is similar to what we use, these semicolon and stuff in our traditional programs like Python and Java and all, and C program, all those things. Okay, so it's just tells the program that the sentence line has ended here. Okay, so now let's come to environment division. Environment division is nothing but just the division where we write about the program environment, like where is the program written, what is the source computer, what is the object computer, where. So basically, source computer. Okay, I think this should be this one. Yeah, source computer say AS400, right? Okay, so that is what environment division is, nothing more to that. Now let's come to data division. Data division has again, three, four parts, out of which one is, file section. In file section, we define all the types of file inside file section. I'll To understand better, I'll just, add a comment. Sorry. Uh, just a second. Uppercase input only, no. Okay. So with Shift F1, pressing Shift F1 will take you to this particular screen where you can, change this thing where you only use uppercase letter and you don't wish to use it, so you can change it to N. Then you can type both. Sorry, you can type both lowercase as well as uppercase. Okay, so in file section we define files. Okay, okay. Apart from file section, we have working storage section. In working storage section, what we define all the working variables, pgm specific. Okay, so in working storage section we define all the variables that we are going to use in the program. Okay, now another thing is called linkage section. Okay, so basically in linkage section, it's very simple. In linkage section, linkage we define uh, the things we want during calling other pgm. Do I have space? I do not have space. Okay, calling pgms. Okay, so basically in linkage section we type all those things that are required when we are calling different programs. Okay, and that is all we need to understand right now about data division, because see, right now we are just trying to understand that how the structure, the backbone of a COBOL program, like what are the divisions, what comes under each divisions, what is the meaning of each divisions. Okay, so that is what we are trying to understand. So yeah, just a second. So last division is the procedure division, where which is the actual program body. Okay, so before procedure division we can code everything uh, under, just give me a second, let me turn this thing on. Yeah, so in before, until procedure division, like from identification to data division, we can write everything in this eighth sorry yeah, in this eighth column: identification, environment, data division, procedure division, everything we can start writing from this eighth column. But in the area A, to be specific, in area A. But when we are inside procedure division, we have to write things from area B. Suppose we have to write, display hello world. So if I write display hello world, And as you can see that this D displays D starts from area A, inside area A. It should give error. Yeah, invalid in area A. Okay. Similarly, okay. So first let me just move it to area B, and the error should go away. Okay, period is required. Okay, my bad. So similarly, suppose we have to move anything from a variable to another variable, just casually writing anything like a sha to sha a period. So you cannot, it's not valid in area A. Okay, so it needs to be moved to area B. Now inside area B you can write it anywhere, doesn't matter, but inside area B it should be in area B. Okay, just remove this, just add a line. Yeah, okay. So basically, as you can see, this is the basic structure of a program, COBOL program. So identification division, again, which is the, like, a very important and the most important mandatory division of the program. You can remove environment division, you can remove data division if you do not have any variables or anything like that, then you can remove it. I'll show you it in a bit. Again, in procedure division, okay, procedure division is also important but not mandatory, because anything you write in the program execution, the program execution starts from the procedure division. If the body of the program is empty, there is nothing to run, right? So okay, so this one is compile. Now let's call it, call qcmd, call cobol prog. Okay, F10 to display. See, hello world. We call the program, we see hello world. Okay, so now if we see, as I mentioned, that this is the mandatory division. Okay, so if I comment this one and compile the program and call it. Okay, so as okay, so now as I mentioned, that we can remove environment division, data division. Okay, so if we remove environment division, we remove data division. Okay, we remove these working storage, we remove these things. Okay, so even after removing these things, the program should display hello world, because after identification division we are directly jumping into procedure division. No variables, nothing, just display, just simply display. See, so it's displaying hello world. Okay, so that is about the backbone of the programming language COBOL right now. So if this helps you, give it a like. If you want to, if you have any questions or want to clear anything, just comment down below. I'll be answering all of your comments, and stay tuned, and I'll be uploading in another 2 to 3 days the next video where we'll understand how to define files in COBOL program, and we'll just write a sample program using the file. So yeah, have a good day, guys. Bye.